Hello everyone, welcome on my channel Theory of Nothing. Recently I have realized that I have not yet reached my targeted audience. So I am making this series for you, Mathematics for All. By watching this video you can learn how to add and subtract in your mind, and you can also learn how to multiply these multiplication without using pen. It is also called speedy maths, and it will save you time in competition exams. So let's see how we do this. There is a thumb rule that always solve at least in two steps, and left smaller number for later use. Now taking the example, if we are adding 57 with 84, conventionally we take addition and we take carry, and there is a carry and there is a number 1 and there is a carry. So this will become complicated process when we have 3-digit number. If we have x, y, z, a, b, c, then there will be 2 carry, and it gives an extra stress. It gives extra stress on mind when we have to memorize the carry and the number and the next number. So in the new method we add the closest number. We add 60 with 84 and minus 3, and we will get 144 minus 3 means 141. I am using the whiteboard, but you can solve without using pen or whiteboard, because it is a smaller number. It is a simple number you can memorize, and there is a simple addition which will give us 144. Now taking another example, a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number we have 538 and we are 119. So first method we can use if we have know the 19th multiplication table. We can directly write 57 and this will become 6, and this will give us 657. So this is a creative method, and what we have learned now we can write is 138 plus 120 minus 1, and this will give 658 minus 1, and the answer will become 657. So this is the method I am teaching to you, and this is a creative method you can use. Taking another example, we have 628 and 253. So the smaller number will be, we can write it as 630 minus 2 plus 253, and this will give us 883 minus 2, and the answer will become 881. So as you can see that we can adjust the number according to our convenience and add that number. So I have taken only 3 examples, but there can be infinite type of calculations and multiple method of solving these calculations. So I hope you got the point. How can we solve these numbers by by making them convenient to us, arranging the smaller number and adding, we can get the result. without using pen. Now going to the subtraction. How can we solve subtraction? If we need to subtract 747, we need to subtract 598. So what we can do, we can write it as 600 minus 2, and this will become 147 minus 2 is equal to 145. Again I am using the whiteboard, but this is a part of mental mathematics, the calculation that you can solve in your brain. So I hope you will not use anything and you will solve in your brain. So what we have done here, we have increased the 100 in 500, and this will become 600, and we have written the complement of 98. So by merely observing the complement of numbers, you can make a list from 1 to 50. The complement of 1 will become for 99. The complement of 4 will become 96. Similarly for 14 it will become 86. For 28 it will become 72, and for 34 it will become 66. It will become, I hope I have written right. Yeah. Okay. So by observing the complement of numbers, you can see that whenever you have encountered with a number, you will add 100 and you will subtract or add the complement of a number. Here we have to add the number, and this will become 149. I have made a mistake. This will become 149. Okay. So now going to the next number, we have 725 and 468. We have 725 and 468 and subtracting. So we will again do the same, increase it with 100, 500, and find the complement of this number. The complement of this number will be 32. So after 500 from 720, we will get 225, and we will add 32. And for adding 32, you can add 30 first, and after you can add 2. 225 plus 30 will become 255, and adding 2 will give you 257. As I told you, left smaller number for later use. So we left 2 for later adding. Now going to the third example. In the next example, we have 645 and 372. We have 645 and 372. Again we will do the same. We will write it as 400, the greater 100, and after subtracting we will get 245, and adding the complement of 72. The complement of 72 will be 28. So adding 28, again we will add by the first method 240, 245 plus 30, 275. We can write 28 as 30 minus 2. So 275 minus 2 will give us 273. in these methods you have to first observe the complement. You don't need to memorize the complement. Only seeing 2-3 times you will memorize them, and you can use them for later calculation. So I hope you have understood, and we will see the next concept in the next lecture. I hope you have liked it, and if you find it useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.